Hi everyone, welcome to Taddy Brothers. I'm Tamir, and in this video we're going to go over our all-new commercial-grade parking backup sensors. These sensors will work for trailers, vans, RVs, and motorhomes. The general concept is simple. You connect the sensors in the back, you thread them through the vehicle to the front, plug them into the brain, plug in the speaker, the power, fire it up, and you're good to go. It's easy for me to say it. Now let me show you how easy it is. And what I'm going to be doing here, by the way, is a form of a bench test, which I strongly recommend you guys do when you get your system. It'll give you a better understanding of how the system works, and it'll make the installation quicker and cleaner. So here, let's go over what we have here. So you're seeing here 4 sensors that are evenly distributed. If you wanted 6 or 8 sensors, like if you want to put them at the top of the vehicle for a delivery truck or something like that, you can do that as well. These sensors have an 18-inch lead which goes into a harness which connects to a cable that you just daisy chain them together until you just have one cable left, which will connect to our 35-foot cable. These all twist lock so they don't come apart, and it's very easy to control. Now, what I'm talking about next is when you're threading the cable through is, once again, you have the sensors here that you're going to plug in, 4 in the back, 2 in the top, whatever you want to do here. And then you're going to thread the cable either from the top, from the bottom, or the top, all the way up to the front where the brain is going to go. So here we have that right there. And I'm going to thread this through here until you finally hit the brain. In the brain, you're going to connect the cable to the sensor socket and spool up all the cables next to it. This way we have a clean place to put all the cables there. From there, we're going to plug in the speaker, which is very easy to do. The way I suggest doing it is put the speaker next to the monitor or next to wherever you want the speaker to be, and then thread the cable from the top to the bottom where most people put the brain as they hide it either under their car, under their chair, or under their dash. Next up, you connect it to the power, which is you get a red and a yellow, which plugs into the 12 volts, and the black, which connects to the ground. From there, you fire it up, and it's good to go. Make sure that if you want it to turn on when you go in reverse, you plug it into the triggers that use the reverse lights or something like that. But again, all that will be in the instructions and the diagrams that come in the box itself. So let me fire it up like this so you can hear it beeping, and I want you to see how it functions and how it operates. Now, we're in an office here, so it might start beeping before, but the concept is at 8 feet, it'll start detecting obstacles, and then it'll flatline at 6 seconds. And when it flatlines, it's very, very loud, which is important so that your drivers or you can hear it. Let me turn this off. So that's the general concept of how you would set it up in a van, delivery truck, motorhome, anything you want to do with it. This would be a good setup. Now, if you have a fifth wheel or a trailer or a fleet of trailers, combination trailers might have you, this will work great for that as well. You just have to add one more component, which I'm going to show you right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect this here like this, so that you have this portion independent of the other vehicle. So once again, you have the sensors going to the sensor harnesses, plugging into the 35-foot cable. The only difference is now we have the trailer, per se, and the cable is going to get threaded through the top or the bottom of the trailer until you have it dangling at the end of the trailer right here. Right? So now we have that. Let's go do the truck version, the truck side of it, which is this thing here, my DeLorean, and excuse me if it's not up to scale. The idea is the same thing here. You're going to thread the cable from the back to the front where the brain is going to be, plug it into the brain, and the rest of it, you guys know what you need to do. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to take my cable like this. This is the one that's supposed to go in the pickup truck. I'm going to connect it to the sensor socket in the brain, like this. And again, I'm locking it in. It's really cool the way it's done, so it never comes off, right? And then we're going to take the coiled cable, which is what's going to connect between the trailer and the hitch of your truck or your car, right? This thing stretches 10 feet. It's heavy duty, UV protectant, so it doesn't get ruined in the sun or in the weather, right? So let me set that up here, right here like that. Plug it in, twisting it. And here we'll do the other side. So here you see now we have, once plugged in, we have an unbroken line between my nice DeLorean and the trailer all the way to the sensors, right? So now let me fire it up. like that. So you have an unbroken line. I want you guys to see that it works exactly the same. And you can see that it's going to beep at 8 feet, and then it's going to flatline at 6 inches and be very, very loud like it was last time, right? All right, let me turn it off because that's kind of loud. So that's the basic idea. One other feature that this system has is that this brain can act as a pass-through for a camera. So if you want to also have a visual representation of what's going on around you, this will do that as well. A camera will connect to the socket on the brain itself. There's a camera socket there. And then there's a monitor output. That will connect to the monitor and give you a visual overlay over the camera representing what's going on with numbers per sensor. So it'll show you the actual distances of where you are for whatever obstacle is behind you. That's the general idea of how these systems work. If you're still not sure you want to buy from us, let me give you a couple of other reasons to buy from TadiBrothers.com. First, anything you buy from TadiBrothers comes with a 30-day guarantee. That means that if you're not happy for any reason, give us a call and send it back, and we'll give you a refund, no questions asked. Other than that, we also have a 1-year warranty. It's a world-class service that is done right here in America. So anything you need, you call us right here in the United States, tell us what the issue is, and our service team will swap out whatever parts you need within a couple of days. And if you're still not sure about buying from us, I challenge you to whip on over to Trustpilot.com. There you will see thousands and thousands of verified 5-star reviews. And that's how you'll see exactly how we treat our customers. And those of you who look at reviews will know exactly how hard it is to achieve that. Other than that, if you need any more help, you can call our service team at 866-966-5550. They are American-based, and they are always looking forward to speak with our customers. If you want to speak with me, I'm Tamir. I'm always around. It'll be my honor to earn your business. So from all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching, and have a great day. See you next time.